Hi, you're welcome to Crossdale TV. Today I'll be showing another wonderful strategy you can adopt to actually make money for yourself. I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform named useproof.com. Useproof.com. What is useproof.com? This is a top tools which helps convert and also monitor your marketing activities. You can convert up to 300% more visitors into lead demos and sales. Adding proof to your marketing funnel is proving to build visitors' trust, create urgency, and increase conversion by 10 to 15% per page. You can start your free trial to also test the product before you can start promoting it. So this is how the product looks like. So how can we now make money with this product? That's where the question lies. I want you to scroll down to the bottom of this product, We'll be joining this platform as an affiliate. You'll be joining this platform as an affiliate. You'll be helping them promote this product. The problem about this product is just that they do select, the country varies. So just, you can see company. Just click on the partners program. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to a place where you have access to help them promote the product. If they accept you, congratulations. Correlation can now start making money with their program. You can now start making, you can see join program, get your referral link, share your link on social media and more, earn reward. Apart from that, their commission is also recurring. So how can you now promote this product? I want you to search for a platform named intuitive.co.uk. This is a top learning platform for international countries such as United States. This one is meant for United Kingdom precisely. So you can contact their admin, explaining to them about the product. Just scroll down there, and if you're going to see their contact form, you can contact us. Then you contact them, you explain to them that you have a product you wish to offer them. You explain the quality of the benefits of the product, then you send them the link and the product information. The other alternate route, what you can also go to a platform named ICS Learning. ICS Learning is also a top UK learning platform where you can go to learn whatever knowledge you think you are searching for. To acquire whatever knowledge you think you are searching for. So you can also come to this platform and scroll underneath and also contact them. Once you contact them, they are going to give you feedback. So if you are lucky, they purchase from you, then congratulations, you surely earn huge commission in return. So you can try this method for like 10 platforms. So by the time you try for 10, 15, 20, 30 platforms, you surely see one conversion. Unless you are going to see one conversion. Then if not, just keep trying till you achieve the sales. That's just it. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button, so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop awesome video just like this. Thanks.